Are you tired of your black hair and looking to switch things up? Well, today is your lucky day. We are going to show how to transform your black hair into a stunning silver shade in just one thing. First, start by preparing your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove any buildup. This will have to clean to a thin pack to your hair. Next, mix the silver hair dye according to the instructions in the box. Make sure to adjust to protect your hair from sticking. Apply the hair dye evenly all over your hair, making sure to separate each strand with a uniform color. Let it sit for the amount of time to allow the color develop. After rinsing out the hair dye, follow a brushing conditioner